In this video, I'll show you how to clear Android cache. This can help if an app is slow, glitchy, using too much storage, or not loading properly. First, open the Settings app. Tap Apps. Now choose the app you want to clear the cache for. If you cannot see it, tap See All Apps. Once the app page opens, tap Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files from the app. It should not delete your account, app data, photos, or login details. Do not tap Clear Storage unless you want to reset the app completely. You can repeat this for any other apps that are having problems. For example, you can clear the cache for Chrome, TikTok, YouTube, Gmail, or other apps. Once you are done, reopen the app and check if it works better. If your phone still feels slow, restart it as well. And that's it. You've now cleared app cache on Android. Hope that helps.